Hello and welcome back to What's in the Box, the series where I bring you into my world of obsessive uranium glass collecting and show off some of what I'm bringing into my collection.
What's in the box?
We've got quite a few pieces to go through today, a bunch of small ones mainly, and one item that I'm very excited to have in my collection. Without further ado, let's see what we have to work with. Here's what we have today. Let's find out what's inside the box. Shoebox. Not a lot. Pro tip for if you're packing something with just bubble wrap in one box, you can take one piece of cardboard and wrap it around the outside of the bubble wrap that you've put on the piece, and then put another layer of bubble wrap there, and that will add some extra protection. So, a nice little small. They listed it as a toothpick holder, but I mean, maybe it is. I see swirling inside of it as well, and things trapped inside the glass. This must be a fairly old piece. Color-wise, it's fairly light. We'll see more on this one later. What's next? What's next? I'm going to hold off on the last two boxes since they're imports, but let's go ahead and look at that item that I said I was very excited to add to my collection. That's right, because reading is what?
Fundamental.
That's right. I was gentle. I was gentle. It's a book. As you can see, it's Fenton the Second, 25 years? The second 25 years by Mr. William Heacock, my personal hero. And that's him right there. That's him. That's William Heacock. I have some William Heacock stuff that I'm going to be releasing later, so keep your eye out, William Heacock fans. Okay, so the reason that I decided to buy it is a limited edition, signed by my hero. So this is book 154. Now, I already have this book, but I am just such a big fan of this guy. And I found out that there are other editions that are hardback. So I'll be looking for those too. Stay tuned for more on William Heacock. Okay. Are you ready? This one has something so cool that I am thinking about just saving it for art. Look at all these stamps. I don't really know how the French post works, but it seems like he used quite a bit. More French periodicals. I see one. I see two. A little Ziploc bag. So these are salt dips from France. This is really heavy. Even has something stuck in it. This isn't the reason I bought this at all. This one is the reason I bought it. Look at her. She's beautiful. It's great. Merci, Paul. Very cool. This seller is awesome. Look, I love handwritten cards. I love it. Great piece. Thank you, Alex. Last box, last box. This is the one I put off because it was the smallest, but I'm excited to see it. I'm going to probably have a problem with the color, but I'm going to learn how to deal with it, I think. So this is a French piece, but it came from the US. This is a very, very green piece, but it's Portieux, so I'm going to keep it in my collection. Not bad. Anyway, nice piece to have. This is just like the colors of Vaseline glass right here. I would not call that Vaseline glass, though. Here's what we got today. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And also, give this video a like if you liked it. Now, I hope you're ready for a little bit of a closer look for some of the glass. We're going to get them into this UV box behind me and do a blacklight showcase. That's all we've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content today. We'll be back in a couple more weeks after I've drained my bank account and bought more things on eBay. But until next time, happy hunting.